Hey guys, I wanted to go back over something about the new Louis. I took a look at the paperwork that came with Louis in the unboxing. And if you'll look at my past video from yesterday where I did the unboxing, you'll know that this does have Python on it, which is an exotic. And of course, Louis Vuitton's are made in France. So I took a look at this paperwork and I said, what the hey? You know, when I purchased the bag, I requested from 24s.com that they send me anything that it came with this particular bag. I don't know if that's why they sent me the purchase order for the Python from Malaysia, and then from Caravelle, which you can find them at www.caravellespa.com, who is owned, by the way, by, is it Keurig? Not the coffee company, but the company that owns, and I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but it's owned by Gucci now. I guess Gucci decided that, hey, let's buy the middleman, you know, let's buy the guy who gets our leathers and exotics and treats them. So I believe that's what this paperwork is, and what has happened here is the skins originated in Malaysia and were sold to Caravelle, who then purchased them from Louis Vuitton purchased the skins from them, and the bag was constructed at that time by Louis Vuitton in France. So let me cut my line on and see if I can't do a close-up of the paperwork for you, so you can see. Yeah, basically the snake skin has a birth certificate and a travel certificate. And please, I would love to know if anybody else has had this experience before. If this is normal, this is my first Louis Vuitton exotic. And let me make sure. This is my first Louis Vuitton exotic. And so I would love to know if any of you guys have ever ended up with a piece that carried international papers. Now, I'm not sure, and I'm going to call Louis today to find out if I need these papers for this bag to travel. Outside of the United States. or if, what the deal is. I mean, I think it's fantastic to have this kind of knowledge about the bag. Makes it very personal, and I love that. I love the little detail, and I thank 24S customer service so much for including that, and for the bag being packed so well, you know, and like I said, it definitely does make the bag more special. I don't think that you can see it very well on the tag in the video because it's blurred. God love this video camera. It's not an Apple phone, it's a Samsung. And it was great pictures, but the video quality, I see, yeah, I'm not happy about it all. But anyway, we're getting there, we're learning, we're going through a learning curve, we're enjoying the journey. So, yeah, so for these small amounts of python, evidently, went through a lot to get here. And I just want them to know, and let Louis Vuitton know, and everyone who went into making this bag, how precious it is to me. And if anybody has purchased an exotic out there, please let me know if that's normal. You know, if I'm supposed to get that, if it just somehow or another it just accidentally came my way. It maybe should have been kept by the office or something, or if it's supposed to be for me to be able to travel with the bag. That would be important to know also. So if y'all will comment below and let me know what you think and everything. Like I said, I did a lot of research last night and found out all that information to share with you in case you do decide to purchase this bag from 24s.com. I'm not sure if you'll receive the same thing or not, and if you do, please let me know in the comments below. Like I said, they do have a few of these bags left, and I don't know if you'll get all that with it, but that I did, and so I really love to know. If I get any more information about it and everything, I will let you know. But it is a fun fact to know that Gucci and I think it's Balenciaga or Balenciaga, but anyway, there's a few designing houses that are under the Clerg, and there again, I don't know, KIRG, I'm not sure if that's the name, but I will list some links below in this video and let you know exactly where to go to find out what I did find out. I don't want to tell you anything wrong, and I don't want to put you through a lesson that you don't want to learn today. The information will be there if available. You decide to look into it and build your knowledge on it. I mean, but if you just want to say what a beautiful bag it is, there she is. She is a gorgeous bag. But there again, I just did want to let you know about the paperwork that came with her. I mean, other than the, of course, the tags. It does not have a date code. anywhere on the inside of the bag. So I'm pretty sure that this bag has a chip. Like I said, it is made in France, that's for sure, and she's well documented. Thanks for watching, and please, if you've got any information or anything that you can let me know, I'd love to know if this little sweetie is supposed to come with this paperwork or not. And if I find anything else, I'll let you know. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.